Hello class, today's video is about taking notes in science. In my class, we take notes for homework. I make you record your notes in your journals and so forth. So this video will demonstrate how you should be taking notes. So first things first, the first thing that we need to do is give our notes a title. So as you see here, I'm just doing a generic title, writing chapter 1, 1.1, because each of our chapters also has a section. So the one in the beginning means that's the chapter, and then after the dot or decimal point, that's going to be the section that you're taking notes over. Once we're done writing the title, we want to then write the page number in the bottom right hand corner of the page so that we can later record it in our table of content. Then we're going to go ahead and draw a vertical line that splits the page into basically 1/3 and 2/3. On that one side, the smaller side where it's 1/3 of the page, we're going to go ahead and title that side vocab. On this side, we're going to include any vocab terms along with their definitions. Every time you come across a term, you're going to add it to this left side of the page, and you're going to do that all the way down the page. On the other 2/3 of the page, you're going to go ahead and add your notes. So as you read, you're going to write down any important information that you need to have down. So for instance, what I would like you to do is write the headings of the section that you're reading up. Then going ahead and indenting and writing the information that you find important. If you don't indent in your notes, you can't find things quickly. And as you know, for our test, I give you 10 minutes with your notes. And if you can find things quickly, you have more time with your notes to use for your test. So as we come across new headings, we write down the new heading. You can underline those things, you can highlight. But again, we always indent so that we can find things easier. The goal of taking notes is not rewriting everything that you read. Some of the things are important, some things aren't. As you're reading as well, the book includes many pictures. You should be adding pictures. In order for you to get your points for taking notes, you have to have the vocab, you have to have your notes included, plus the underlining, indenting, and you have to include pictures, okay? You don't have to include a picture for every vocab word. Sometimes that's not necessary. However, you have to include pictures so that you have a better understanding of the concept. A lot of us are more visual learners than learners that can just look at text and pick it up instantly. So if we draw pictures, you're going to help yourself in the long run, especially again when taking that test. Okay guys, so last but not least, in order for you to get all 10 out of 10 on your notes, you always need to include a title and a page number. Vocab should be separate from notes. You should highlight and indent and always draw pictures.